Okay, one to Zach and Daddy toe, and we do a favorite called a lava one. Favorite color.
That is pink.
Mix it up.
And then we put some oil.
Hold the bottle. Oh no, you don't have to hold the bottle.
And we then put these things. No. Oh. That's so pink. And that one and that one. That's so pink. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's cool.
It is pretty cool.
What do you think, Zach?
Cool! That's so pink. Mama did the room. That's pink. Whoa! That's pink. Pink room, pink room. What pink room made?
Purple?
No, red and blue made purple. Wait, where's the pink and blue?
Pink's just like red though.
Yeah.
So I think pink and blue will make purple. Just perhaps a bit lighter purple than red and blue would.
Pink. No.
Wrap it up.
No. Well, and that's the end. See you, Lord.
What do you have to do?